Click on the link below to get price. The 316 marine-grade stainless steel freestanding outdoor shower with foot wash offers a practical solution for those seeking an outdoor bathing experience. Designed with durability and functionality in mind, this shower can be a valuable addition to gardens, patios, or pool areas. Constructed from marine-grade stainless steel, this outdoor shower is specifically designed to withstand the elements. This material is known for its resistance to corrosion and rust, making it suitable for various outdoor conditions, particularly in coastal areas where saltwater exposure may be a concern. The sleek stainless steel finish not only contributes to its strength but also adds a modern touch to any outdoor setting. One of the standout features of this shower is the integrated foot wash. This addition allows users to rinse off sand or dirt before entering a pool or home, promoting cleanliness and convenience. The foot wash is designed to be easily accessible and can enhance the overall outdoor experience, especially after a day at the beach or in the garden. The setup of the shower is relatively straightforward. It is designed to be freestanding, which means it does not require extensive installation or modifications to existing structures. This feature allows for flexibility in placement, enabling users to position the shower wherever it is most convenient. The shower head typically offers adjustable settings, catering to personal preferences for water pressure and flow. In terms of usage, this outdoor shower is ideal for a variety of activities. Whether you're gardening, returning from a swim, or simply enjoying time outdoors, it provides a refreshing way to rinse off. Additionally, its sturdy construction ensures that it remains stable during use, which can be particularly important when used frequently. In closing, the 316 marine-grade stainless steel freestanding outdoor shower with foot wash presents a blend of durability and practical design. Its marine-grade materials, combined with the convenience of a foot wash, make it a thoughtful addition for outdoor enthusiasts. For those considering enhancing their outdoor spaces, this shower could serve as a reliable and stylish option, contributing to an enjoyable outdoor experience.